wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pocket hole jigs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The massca set proves especially useful when you need to create two uniform side-by-side spaces in wood that's up to 1.5 inches thick. Its quick adjust magnetic base helps it attach firmly to a metal clasp for mounting purposes. It comes with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. However, the instructions are somewhat confusing, and it's not ideal for fine carpentry. At number 9, the compact size of the drillpro kit makes it perfect for small projects or for being transported to wherever your next job is waiting. There is a learning curve, but with some practice, you'll find its steel sleeve guides the bit nicely for a crisp, clean result. It includes a hex key, but setup can be tricky, and the user manual is not in English. Coming in at number 8 on our list. With the built-in board thickness presets of the milescraft 1323, there's often no need to manually measure, although its edge does feature imperial and metric scales. The carrying case has designated sections for all components, so you won't have to dig around. This is a budget-friendly choice that's good for the weekend woodworker. However, some of the parts are flimsy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pocket hole jigs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for an affordable yet durable aluminum model that handles light tasks with ease, consider the General Tools 850 Heavy Duty, which is designed with a built-in clamping system for bench mounting. It creates flush, corner and angle joints for all types of projects. This one performs well in tight spots and comes with 24 plugs, but it's not the sturdiest option. Moving up our list to number 6. When you're in need of a tool for occasional small jobs, look to the handy Kreg Mini, which is equipped with just what's necessary to get things done. It's great for quick repair operations with its 3/8 inch drill bit, depth collar and Allen key. It offers unlimited width positioning and won't break the bank. However, note that a clamp must be purchased separately. Halfway up our list at number 5. The basic Impact Tools Portable features a single 3/8 inch bit and retractable edge stops, so it's ideal for operation inside a cabinet or between joists. Its patent-pending extraction holes make your work easier by keeping wood chips out of the way. It comes with 50 screws and is molded from a high-tech polymer, but it's not made for heavy-duty use. At number 4, if you're just getting your feet wet in the woodworking world, the low-cost yet high-quality Kreg R3 Junior is a viable pick. It doesn't include a lot of extras you're not sure you'd ever use, and the best part is it's a cinch to apply the desired width and holes locations. It's made from durable glass-reinforced nylon and includes a well-organized carrying case and a depth collar gauge. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you travel to various locations, you'll welcome the portability of the Kreg K5, which assembles in a jiffy and contains storage compartments for all the accessories. Beginners will also appreciate the accompanying plans for 6 simple home projects. This one delivers professional-looking results and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. It's equipped with attachable support wings. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pocket hole jigs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the automatic depth control system and self-adjusting clamp of the Portacable 560 ensure a quick and uncomplicated setup for jobs involving materials both thick and thin. Conveniently eliminates much of the guesswork, as it suggests the best drill angle and screw length. This one can be attached to a vacuum hose and includes a 3-year limited warranty and an easy mounting base. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Kreg Master system is available from an industry leader and won't disappoint thanks to its ample adjustability and portable base. Its dust collection shroud collects wood chips, and the finished product is perfectly placed and easy to plug. This one's contractor grade with a large clamping recess and a removable 3-hole drill guide. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pocket hole jigs, or simply click beneath this video.